Litigation funding providers versus self-funded plaintiffs. Which one is better for large claims? You won't believe how many strong legal claims failed simply because plaintiffs lack funding. The surprising truth is that litigation funding can transform access to justice, but it comes with trade-offs. Self-funded plaintiffs retain complete control over their cases and all potential awards. They decide strategy, settlement offers, and timing without outside influence. This approach avoids sharing proceeds with a third party and keeps costs predictable. However, large claims often involve massive legal fees, expert witnesses, and extended court timelines. Funding constraints can limit the ability to pursue the strongest legal strategy, potentially reducing the final outcome. Litigation funding providers, by contrast, cover legal costs in exchange for a portion of the proceeds if the case succeeds. This allows plaintiffs to pursue complex or high-value claims that would otherwise be financially impossible. Funding also transfers financial risk. If the case is lost, the plaintiff typically owes nothing to the funder. Some funders also provide strategic support and connect plaintiffs with experienced law firms. The choice comes down to risk tolerance, control, and resources. Self-funding keeps full control and avoids sharing profits, but requires substantial capital and risk acceptance. Litigation funding unlocks access to justice and enables a full legal strategy, but reduces net proceed and may involve oversight by the funder. Many plaintiffs balance the two by combining partial self-funding with external funding for the riskiest elements of a case. The takeaway is simple: for large claims, litigation funding can be a game changer, especially for plaintiffs lacking deep pockets. The surprising truth is that strategic funding doesn't just provide money, it can increase the likelihood of a favourable outcome. Evaluating your resources, risk appetite, and case complexity is key to deciding the right approach.